Upgrading your entry door is one of the most effective ways to enhance your Pasadena home's security, energy efficiency, and curb appeal. Whether you're replacing an outdated door or upgrading to a modern, energy-efficient model, understanding the installation process can help you feel confident and prepared. Knowing what to expect ensures a smooth experience from start to finish and helps you get the most value from your investment. Here's a step-by-step look at what Pasadena homeowners can expect during a professional entry door installation. Initial consultation and door selection. The process begins with an in-home consultation. A professional installer will evaluate your current entryway, take precise measurements, and discuss your preferences for style, material, and features. This is the time to explore options such as fiberglass, steel, or wood doors, along with energy-efficient glass inserts, decorative hardware, and security enhancements. Because Pasadena's climate includes warm temperatures and occasional humidity, many homeowners opt for insulated doors with durable finishes that withstand heat and weather exposure. Preparing for installation day. Before installation begins, a few simple preparations will help ensure a smooth process. Clear the area around the entryway. Both inside and outside, remove door decorations, rugs, and nearby furniture. Secure pets and keep children away from the work zone. Professional installers will protect surrounding surfaces with drop cloths and take care to minimize disruption to your home. Removing the existing door. On installation day, the team will carefully remove your existing door, including the frame if necessary. This step involves detaching hinges, removing trim, and inspecting the opening for any signs of damage or wear. In Pasadena homes, installers may check for issues such as moisture damage or wood rot, warped framing gaps, or insulation deficiencies. If minor repairs are needed, they will be addressed before the new door is installed to ensure proper support and long-term performance. Preparing the opening and ensuring a proper fit. Once the old door is removed, the opening is prepared for the new installation. This includes leveling and squaring the frame, applying insulation, and ensuring the threshold is properly aligned. A precise fit is essential for preventing air leaks, improving energy efficiency, and ensuring smooth door operation. Professional installers use specialized tools and techniques to guarantee that the new entry door fits securely and functions correctly. Installing the new entry door. With the opening prepared, the new entry door is carefully positioned and secured. Installers will anchor the door frame to the structure, apply insulation around the frame, seal the perimeter with weather-resistant materials, install and align hinges, locks, and hardware. This step ensures the door operates smoothly and creates a tight seal against the elements, an important factor in Pasadena's warm climate. Finishing touches and cleanup. After the door is installed, the team will complete the finishing details. This may include installing interior and exterior trim, adjusting hardware, and applying final sealants for protection against moisture and air infiltration. Before leaving, installers will test the door's operation and locking mechanisms, clean the work area and remove debris, provide care and maintenance instructions, review warranty information. These final steps ensure your new entry door is fully functional and ready for daily use. How long does installation take? In most cases, entry door installation in Pasadena can be completed in just a few hours. More complex projects, such as custom doors, structural modifications, or additional sidelights, may require additional time. Your installer will provide a clear timeline during the consultation. Enjoying the benefits of your new entry door. Once installation is complete, you'll immediately notice the difference. A professionally installed entry door enhances your home's appearance, improves insulation, and provides greater security. You may also experience reduced drafts, improved energy efficiency, and increased property value. A smooth upgrade for Pasadena homeowners. Understanding what to expect during entry door installation helps make the process stress-free and rewarding. With professional guidance, careful preparation, and expert craftsmanship, your new entry door will provide lasting beauty, comfort, and performance. For Pasadena homeowners, investing in a professionally installed entry door is a smart step toward improving both the functionality and appeal of your home, creating a welcoming entrance you'll enjoy for years to come.